Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's swap the grille on the Volkswagen Mk6 GTI. Here is some video of the day we bought the car, still at the dealership. We knew the grille was broken in a number of places, but we figured it was easy enough to replace. After seeing what factory replacements would cost, we looked at other alternatives. My son settled on this one and we ordered it. This is the Badgeless Grille and it comes with a filler piece where the hood was curved around the VW badge on the factory grille. There are 4 screws along the top and the bottom is clipped into the bumper. Now, if yours is not as broken as this one, it won't unclip quite as easily as shown. You may struggle with it and you may even break some clips. Here's a quick look at the old versus new. The new grille should go on the same way as taking the old one off, just in reverse. And I say should, but ours wasn't quite the same, meaning the clips for the bottom bumper didn't exactly line up, and I found this out after trying to clip it in. And then when I was trying to unclip it to see why, I broke the one end clip. To make it fit, I just had to break the 2 inside clips. They broke off easily, and then I cleaned up the jagged area with the Dremel. As you can see, this is the final result after I painted the filler piece and used JB Weld to attach it to the hood. My son loves how it turned out. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.